also Gianluca Petakov, the second of the Campos cars. Look, you can't see anything going up the hill there.
Yeah, here's Jahan Deruvela, and doesn't know where to go, does he? Desperately trying to keep the car out of trouble. Oh, goodness me.
Go.
And there is a pretty serious fire on the way, and I would imagine that will be a red flag.
The front left corner of Hansen's car is on fire. He's in the Joker lap. Watch the front left headlight. It's a big fire. Timmy Hansen is going to pull over to the marshals. So Hansen pulls off the track. Oh dear, we need to get that put out ASAP. Get out of the car, Timmy. Out of the car. Genet continues to lead. Timmy Hansen is out of the car. I can confirm from the spotter's position. Genet leading through the Sachs curve. There's Timmy safe.